Hi Ray, long time no chat. I've got a new brief for you. So this website, Staging 2, Horse Pets, etc. The book online page, so this is obviously a development version of the live site. I've got a new plugin here. This is called Pet Manager. And this plugin, I'd like to control the styling of it, but I've had a look at overriding the CSS styles, and important doesn't override it. At least I couldn't get it to work anyway. So I'm wondering if we can control the styling of this locally. This portal, this plugin, I imagine is brought in externally. So that's the challenge, and you can see if you can do that. So the first step would be, I don't know, log in, see if you can change the style of that to the style of this headline here. If you can change the style of that, I will brief in all the styling changes that need to happen for this. So there is another program or a website that is used in conjunction with this plugin, but I haven't seen any styling options in there. I can give you the logins for both this website and the Pet Manager website as well, and you could have a look in there as well. Yeah, and if you can override the styling of this, that would be great, and we can move on to the next bit. If not, it'll just be your time to investigate if we can do it or not. So over to you, and let me know if you've got any questions. Okay, cheers. Thanks, bro.